Navratri by Margarita Pop-Up Shows is here. This is their last show for the season. Baki ki sari details let the beautiful ladies tell you.
Yes. So all my Desi girls, run right now. It's your last chance to shop.
Today and tomorrow, 22nd and 23rd, last chance, hurry up. At Bohemian Gallery, jaldi jaldi aao. And to check out the collection, swipe left. Hello.
હેલો આઈ એમ આયુષ ફ્રોમ લેબર આયરા. આજે અમારો લાસ્ટ ડે છે, લાસ્ટ શો છે અમારો. બાકી પેર્સ બી છે, તમે સેપરેટ બી લઈ શકો છો.
Okay. Very
કોર્સેસ
pretty.
બ્લાઉઝીસ બી છે.
Okay.
વિથ પેચ વાળા બી બ્લાઉઝીસ છે.
Lovely.
યુનિક દુપટ્ટાસ બી છે.
Wow. Look at that.
મુકેશ વર્કમાં બી દુપટ્ટાસ છે. એમાં બી કલર્સ મળી જશે.
Okay. Very pretty.
બ્લોક પ્રિન્ટ્સમાં બી છે.
Beautiful.
પેસ્ટલ્સમાં બી તમને મળી જશે.
All right. Look at that.
Hello.
Hi, we are from Pacheri. As you know, that today and tomorrow is the last exhibition of this season.
Yes.
So we have this beautiful bani chanyas,
Okay.
which comes along with blouse piece. પછી આ અમારા ગજીના ચણ્યા છે મશરૂના એ પણ બ્લાઉઝ પીસ સાથે આવે છે
Okay.
અને આ 3 પીસ સેટ છે જેમાં દુપટ્ટો આવે છે આવી રીતના પિતા વર્કનો
Okay.
આ જોર્જેટના દુપટ્ટા છે ધીસ આર some beautiful combinations of red and rani,
Okay.
maroon and orange,
All right.
then some red. Then we have our gaji dupattas, which you
Lovely.
can wear it also during Navratri and also during any festive season.
Okay.
These are some options.
Beautiful. Lovely.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
ma'am.
Do visit us.
This is brand Navya and they have beautiful collection. आज वो मेंस वेयर भी डिस्प्ले कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. उसमें आपको बहुत सारे अलग अलग शेड्स मिल जाएंगे, कलर ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. You will find different patterns also. Look at that. Very pretty. Okay. All right. उसके साथ साथ they have beautiful. Look at that. Black में if you're looking for something, अगर आपको white में options चाहिए तो वो भी मिल जाएंगे. All right. Look at that. This is moss. Very pretty. Okay. Look at that. Beautiful color options. Very pretty.
Hello. Hi, this is brand Nirvav. We are collection silk lehengas.
Okay.
Similar what I'm wearing. You'll get a 3-piece set completely with unstitched blouse. You'll get more color option also apart from this. Then we have on layers also. These are on pure chinon with handwork dupattas. You'll get color option in these as well. Then we have on badla work as well. These are on
Beautiful.
pure silk lehengas along with the handwork dupatta. Apart from this, we have ready blouses also. So you can pair it up with the saris or chanya cholis, anything. You'll get
Lovely.
color options in everything.
Hello.
Hi, my name is Rishti. My brand name is Rishti Bhatia. So I have some amazing pieces to show you guys.
Okay.
Here's the Banarasi blouse with pink chinon chanya.
Lovely.
We have all of these colors. And then we have some fusion wear as well.
Okay.
You can look at the details.
Yeah. Very pretty.
And then we have some proper Navratri blouses.
Right. Look at that. So many options and as
We
you
do
know.
have menswear as well.
Okay.
You can have a
Look
look.
at that. Okay.
All of this.
Very pretty. Look at that. Few more options as well
Yes.
with dupattas. I'll show you guys. They have options in dupattas also, as you can see here. So many options of blouses. They have menswear also, and they have their beautiful Navratri
And we are
collection.
still taking
This is brand Pure Soul by Ruchi. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
So she has brought beautiful collection of dupattas. अभी भी लास्ट मिनट अगर आपको बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस चाहिए हर एक पैटर्न में उनके पास मिल जाएगा. प्लस ब्लाउजेस का भी उनके पास बहुत सारा कलेक्शन है. पैचवर्क ब्लाउजेस हैं, ब्यूटीफुल हॉल्टर नेक ब्लाउजेस हैं, नेक डिटेल ब्लाउजेस हैं. लुक एट दैट. अलॉन्ग विद दैट उनके पास पेयर्स के, सेपरेट्स के सारे ऑप्शंस हैं. सो यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड all that here. Again, this is brand Pure Soul by Ruchi.
હાય માય બ્રાન્ડ નેમ ઇઝ યુફોરિક અને આજે આપણે પાસે આવી રીતના અફઘાનીમાં અમે નવા એડ ઓન કર્યા છે
Okay.
અને 20% ફ્લેટ અમે ઓફ આપીએ છીએ
Wow.
પ્રોડક્ટ્સ પર તો
Lovely.
કમ ડાઉન એટ
Yes.
ગોલ્ડન ગેલેરી યુ કેન સી ધ કલેક્શન ગ્લાસ વર્કમાં કંઈક છે અમારી પાસે આવી રીતે વિન્ટેજ છે
Okay.
પ્લસ એમાં પણ નાના મિનિમલ થી માંડીને હેવી થી માંડીને બધા ઓપ્શન્સ અવેલેબલ છે
All
આવી રીતે
right.
સિલ્વર લુક લાઇકમાં જોઈતું હોય તો પણ અવેલેબલ છે પેન્ડન્ટ ચેઇન્સ ના
So this is brand 9 Stitches and they have beautiful offers. 10 to 15% off che on their collection. Look at that. Their beautiful pastel mirror work that they've probably restocked it a lot of times. Look at that. You have the classic white with multicolor mirror on top. And as you can see, they have a lot of colors here. So if you want something in pastel, if you want the classic black, they have options in all those as well. And then they have their dupattas. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? And then they have a variety of blouses here. So let me show you few options. Look at that. If you want something like this. Hello.
Hi, my brand name is Ahmed and I have the new collection added for Diwali and the wedding season, like these type of chania cholis
Beautiful.
and these
Okay.
type of pita work chania choli, all
Different.
lotus work and motifs.
Look at that.
Something lehengas for weddings which are dyeable, colors you want.
All right.
Yes.
So this is their speciality.
Something for Kadwa Chauth you can add it.
Beautiful. Look at that.
Yes. Something in chicken curry Indo-Westerns.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. These type of high-low cord sets.
Okay.
These type of bottoms.
Okay.
Or
All right.
something in Banarasi added. These are also
Okay.
there. They can also be customized in all the
Beautiful.
colors.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, these type of sarees in all the tissue fabric. These are also the dyeable ones. With
Okay.
pita work, pearl work. Also the menswear.
Very pretty.
Yeah, dyeable kurtas.
Beautiful. Okay. Lovely. This is brand Deepika Yolekar and let me show you their collection. So if you're looking for something in pastel with sleeves, they have this beautiful collection. Look at that. Very pretty. They also have options in spaghetti. So if you want something like that, you can take this also. And these are multi-purpose, so you can use them for your friends' wedding receptions as well. Let me show you their blouses ke options. So look at that. So you can buy separately also. Something like this, agar long mein pura jana hai, they have those options as well. Thank you. This is brand Pinky's collection and they have beautiful jewelry ka collection. Pura wedding wear if you want, Navratri wear, definitely something that you're looking. This Navratri, Diwali, they have options for all from chokers to long to tight chokers, hastly. They have something in these kada options as well. And these look very beautiful over your saris, chaniya